Hello all. Today I have this PRAKTIK Tools drill. Actually, it's a hammer drill. Those PRAKTIK Tools, I think, probably they're produced in China, but they're produced for Croatian market. Somebody from Croatia probably ordered these tools from China. Actually, yeah, they're quite heavy and nice. So I had a request for adapter so that these tools can run on Parkside batteries. Probably guys want to try these tools, and they have they're using these Parkside tools. So all of these are budget ones. So yeah, let's see how it works. So yeah, it runs fine. After some time, probably I'll get the feedback from the customer how it works in real working environment, not like here. So yeah, this is it. Thank you.